Hi, I'm Molly, and welcome to the Fine Arts Drawing Series. Today we are going to learn a simple way how to draw a realistic looking kitten. Let's get started! For this project, you will need a plain piece of paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, a pencil, and a good eraser. Let's go! Hi, I'm Molly.
I'm Olivia.
And today we are going to teach you in a few simple steps how to draw a cat, and actually a kitten. So first, we are going to put a little baseline where this kitten is going to step. And then we're going to draw a large oval that's going to be its body. And a lot of times I'll go around very gently until I find my shape, and then I'll push my pencil down. Next, we're going to draw a circle. Be really bold about the circle. Don't make it too small because kittens have bigger heads when they're little. That's what makes them look so cute. And that circle is going to intersect your body or that oval that you drew. And then we're going to make a little neck curve. It's just a little curve right there. And that will be its neck. And we're going to do it on the other side, but it's going to lead into its nose. So see how I did a little trapezoid shape for its nose. Okay, and then we are going to do the tail. So it's like a wave, and again, those kittens have maybe a little bit more fur on their tails than big mommy cats, so it's a little bit thicker. Okay. We still haven't erased any lines yet, and we're going to be doing the eye, the ears, and the feet. Okay, so first we're going to come just below that tail, go out just a little bit, and then straight down, and then over just a little bit. And there we go. So that's the first back foot back there for that little kitten. Now we come where that foot ended, we make like a curved line down and kind of drive that foot down to that line because they kind of step on their toes. And it's okay to erase. That's why we have erasers. Okay, and so I did a curve here and a longer curve there. So they kind of step on their toes if you guys have seen kittens. Okay, now the next foot, we're going to do the front foot. Okay, so come down to the body line. Then you're going to come straight out, down, so almost like a zigzag right there. Do a curved line around, that's its paw, up and back into the body. There you have those cute, fuzzy, fat feet still. Now this one you're not probably going to hit. It might hit the same line as that back foot, but we're just going to, almost looks like a Christmas stocking. Okay, and your cat is not going to, or kitten's not going to look exactly like mine, so don't worry about that. We still haven't erased any lines. We're going to come up here and create its ears. And eye. So right here, just below the headline, we're going to just make a curved line and then straight. And then behind it, we're going to have another curved line and straight. And I like to do this little shape right here. Now I want to change, I even make mistakes, and it's okay to make mistakes, so that doesn't mean you quit and give up, you just use your eraser. And I'm going to curve this line even further down. So that the ear is tipping forward. I'll wait for you, don't worry, we're not in a rush. Okay. If you want to tip this line so it goes to the side more, that will help your kitten look a little. Okay, now we're going to do that curved line and then a curved line around it. There's still those big kitten eyes. Okay, now we can start erasing some lines. So obviously we don't need these where we did that intersect. We don't need this line right here. Don't need these lines on the legs anymore, or the line separating the tail from the body. So hopefully your kitten is starting to take some shape. Now it has a little, just short line here for the nose, and then one down here for the mouth. Okay, and now if you want to put some fur on its back and go around your kitten and make some fuzz, well, I hope you enjoyed how to draw a kitten with Olivia and I today. Keep creating.
Keep making art.
And we'll see you next time.
Hey, hey.